Preparing for a cruise vacation is exciting and filled with anticipation for all the fun ahead. Surely, one of the first things we ask when packing our bags is, what's the weather going to be like? We all know the weather is important. It can determine what we wear and how much SPF we need to put on. But it also impacts if wheat crops in Nebraska will get enough rain to grow, or if the hurricane season in the Atlantic will be mild or fierce. While we can't escape the weather or change it, by predicting it, or what's called forecasting, we can be prepared. Meteorologists do exactly that. They study the atmosphere and oceans to accurately forecast weather. The ocean is studied because it's our biggest ally in storing and transferring heat across the globe, which helps regulate our planet's weather and climate. Areas near the equator, the imaginary line around the Earth midway between the North Pole and South Pole, receive much of the heat from the sun. The energy captured from the sun creates ocean currents that carry heat for thousands of miles before releasing it into the atmosphere. One of the largest and fastest ocean currents known is the Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a warm ocean current that carries heat from the Gulf of Mexico along the U.S. eastern seaboard and toward Europe. Along the way, the Gulf Stream hands over much of that heat to the atmosphere, transporting tens of millions of cubic meters of water per second towards Europe. The Gulf Stream is key to regulating the European climate. That's why understanding how currents move and interact with the atmosphere helps meteorologists make better predictions about tomorrow's weather. Watch our other videos to learn more about currents and the scientists studying the ocean.